Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Anika. Today I'm going to create these beautiful cards using the Waffle Flower Bouquet Builder 2 stamp and die set. I really enjoyed working with all these colors. I enjoyed using my distressed Oxide inks and it was a lot of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and the first thing that I'm going to do in a minute here is get my stamp ready. I'm going to use the image that has the two flowers and the leaves attached together. I'm using VersaFine Onyx Black ink to go ahead and stamp onto some Bristol Smooth cardstock. This is different for me because I usually use Strathmore watercolor paper, but the way that the watercolors worked on this paper, I just really fell in love with. So I'm going to go ahead and paint all the cornflowers. So I'm going to be doing this in a assembly line style. So I'm going to do everything all together for each section. So first I'm going to go ahead and paint the cornflowers. I'm going to put some music on, just sit back and relax and enjoy the coloring. I colored the three other flowers off camera to save time, and now I'm cutting everything out using my Gemini Junior. And it's just a simple process now, no cranking. This machine sits on my desk. It doesn't take up a lot of real estate. I really enjoy using it. It makes die cutting very, very simple. I'm working on my background now, and I'm going to use Distress Oxide inks. And I'm going to use Wilted Violet, Picked Raspberry, Carved Pumpkin, Squeezed Lemonade, and Blueprint Sketch. I'm putting my color in the center of my card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and it's already been cut with a stitch border die. I'm sprinkling some water on there, and I'm going to take a paper towel to lift up the water, wick it away, and you get that oxidized look. That is Black Soot Distress ink to add some splatter onto my card background, and I'm going to go ahead and do that for every single color. So I'm going to add some music, and I'll be back when I've completed this process. I thought the backgrounds came out really nice, and I really enjoyed that process. And now I'm getting ready to do the hello on the card, and that is from Honeybee Stamps. It's a mini stamp, their hello stamp, die, sorry, and it comes with the hello, like you see in black, the background, and it also has that new fabulous stitch background that adds a third layer to the sentiment, but I'm only using these two right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for all 5 of the cards that I'm using. In my glue, glue, I'm using the Deluxe Nouveau adhesive, and it's in a fine tip little container, which I really enjoy. It makes things so much easier to put down, especially when you're in little tiny. Sorry about that. We got kind of disconnected right there, but here I am putting all of the card fronts together, all 5 of them. And I'm using this Friends stamp from the Ranger Letter It Friends stamp. And I'm going to go ahead and glue everything down and put all the cards together. I'm going to add some enamel dots. So sit back and enjoy this process. I think the cards came out really nice. Oh my gosh, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I promise I will get better at these voiceovers. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that notification button so you'll know the next time I make a video, and I will see you in the next one.